Hello friends, welcome back to my channel SAP Simplified by Prasad. So in today's video, I will show you how to undelete a purchase order line item which is already deleted in SAP. So let's quickly go to SAP logon page. So this is our main SAP logon page, easy access menu where we can see. So in this T code bar, I will quickly type ME23N. So for example, let's say this is our PO. So I will just go to this edit mode. We can directly go to ME22N also, but from ME23N also we can edit the PO. So I will click on edit. First I will delete the line item. So let's say I have deleted this line item. I will click on delete and I will click on yes. Then I will click on save. Save. So now this PO has been saved. Like the line item has been deleted entirely. But now we came to know that by mistakenly we have deleted and we need not to delete that, we need to process this PO. So what we'll do, we'll go to ME22N again. We'll select this line item and here you can see like we have a unblock or undelete option over here. So in that case we will just click on this unblock or undelete and then just save the PO. So as this is an old PO, it is showing statistical date in past. We can also correct the date if we want. So let's say my delivery date is 9/10/2026. I'll click on check and I'll click on save. So in this way my PO line item has been undeleted and now this PO can be processed and converted and the GRN can be done for this PO. So in this way, the purchase order item is now active again and can be processed for further good receipt and invoice receipt as per the business process. So that's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel SAP Simplified by Prasad. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.